Welcome back, guys, to Matrix Uploaded. Yes, we're going to ensure that you have a proper understanding of a projected income statement. What I want to really make abundantly clear to you is that one is the preparation of a projected income statement. But more important is the analysis and interpretation. That means you are given data and you are expected to comment on it. So here goes. Cheryl is concerned that she has to keep contributing more capital each month so that the business can settle its debts. Explain to her why the projected income statement will not help her in identifying the reasons for this problem. This tells you that surely you need to know the difference between a projected income statement and a cash budget. Watch this. Your cash problems will only be identified in the cash budget. The projected income statement only reflects profit. Certain items will definitely not be shown in your projected income statement, like what? Your collection from your debtors. Okay? That's not shown in here. Whilst the payments to your creditors are also not shown in your projected income statement. So therefore, what is the projected income statement? It projects future incomes and expenses. What does your cash budget do? Your cash budget projects future receipts and payments. A distinct difference between a cash budget and a projected income statement. So therefore, if she has cash problems, she must prepare a cash budget. Let's calculate the amount of the loan. Okay, so the first thing that we do is we go to our projected income statement. Interest expense, the amount is 37,500. Okay, so we've got the amount. Let's start with our calculation. 37,500 was for 1 month. Multiplied by 12, it will then give you your interest for the year, 450,000. Step number 1. Why can't I work with the 37,500 on its own? Because that was for 1 month only. Step number 2. The 450,000 interest that I'm paying is equal to 15%. Why? That was the interest rate, which was given to me in the question. Step number 3. So the amount of my loan, which is equal to 100%, is unknown to me. It's an unknown. So now you can clearly see that I have provided you with some kind of a calculation. Watch my next step. I say cross multiply. 15x is equal to 450,000 times 100. Clear? Right. What am I looking for? I'm looking for x. X is therefore equal to 3 million. In other words, to what point am I working? Where do I want to get to? I want to get to the point where I calculate my loan amount. And the loan amount is therefore 3 million rand. Clear? This is how you go about calculating the amount of your loan. What advice would you give her regarding the assessing of funds in order to repay the loan? Provide 2 points. How should she repay this loan? What must she do? Number 1, liquidate the investment as the interest is only 6%. Does it make sense to take a loan and pay 15% interest and to invest money and to only receive 6%? Certainly. What should she do? Get rid of this investment here and do what? Pay off the loan. Liquidate the investment. In other words, make it available so that we have that cash available to us and then pay the interest, or rather pay the loan, so that our interest can be less. What else could she do? Admit a partner or a new member. Yes, take on somebody into your business, right? If you're a sole trader, become a partnership, become a close corporation. Take somebody else into your business with their capital resources, and therefore it will assist you in repaying the loan. It is possible that you may have any unused property. Obviously, if that property is idle, then do what? Sell the property. In that way, what will you now be doing? You will have funds available, and if that funds are available to you, you can now repay the loan that you have to repay. Okay. Depending on your response, you will find that we always make provision for any other valid point. It means if you mention something valid, if you mention something which obviously makes sense and is relevant to the question, then definitely you will be credited with the marks. So guys, you can see it's about, yes, Ashraf sounds like he's nagging at us, but it's about analysis and interpretation. But we're not done yet. Wait for us. We'll be back in a jiffy.